Hello lovely people and welcome back to Marius Makes. Let's make a no-bake lime cheesecake without gelatin. A full list of ingredients is in the description below. To make the base, in a saucepan, add 125 grams of unsalted butter and 1 teaspoon of ground cardamom. Melt the butter on a low heat. While the butter and cardamom make friends on the stove, crush 250 grams of digestive biscuits. You could use graham cracker crumbs or any other type of biscuit you prefer. Use whatever method you prefer to crush the biscuits. When the biscuits are all crushed, add a pinch of salt for balance. Now pour the melted butter over the biscuit crumbs, making sure to scrape the ground cardamom off the bottom of the pot and mix well to combine. Add the biscuit base to an 8-inch round cake tin with removable bottom. You could line the base of the tin with parchment paper. Now spread the biscuit in a uniform layer and press down firmly to create a compact base. Refrigerate for at least 20 minutes. To make the cheesecake layer, in a bowl, add 500 grams of full-fat cream cheese. Over the cheese, finely zest 3 limes. Add 100 grams of icing sugar and the juice of 3 limes. Whisk to combine. You can use an electric mixer or you can do it by hand as I am. Now, add 300 milliliters of fridge cold double cream or whipping cream and whisk the mixture until it thickens. This should take only a minute or 2. Add the cheese mixture over the chilled biscuit base and try to level it as best you can. Refrigerate the cheesecake overnight, allowing the acidity of the lime juice to harden the cream. In all honesty, I wasn't patient enough, so I took the cheesecake out of the cake tin after only 4 hours. It was still a bit soft, but I couldn't resist anymore. I used a few slices of lime to decorate the top of the cheesecake, and then I had to cut a slice for myself straight away. If you love lime or lemony desserts, this one is for you. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and also go to my channel to discover more homemade recipes like this one. Until next time, goodbye.